こんにちは。サニーと申します。私は英会話の先生です。私は Bachelor of Science in Education, major in English の大学を卒業しました。皆さんに英会話を楽しく教えてあげます。どうか私のレッスンに予約してください。私は日本語も話します。はい、いらっしゃいませ。よろしくお願いいたします。ありがとうございます。Hi, I'm Teacher Sunny, but please call me Sunny. I'm a graduate of Bachelor of Science major in English. I have more than 15 years experience teaching the English language, and I love teaching English to different cultures and nationalities. I lived in Japan for about 5 years, that's why I can speak Japanese. And I also lived in Hawaii for about 15 years, and I can speak also some Hawaiian language. Okay? I believe that teaching English is my calling, and I would like to show the world that learning the English language opens the doors to many opportunities and advancement. So what are you waiting for? Come on in, join my class.